Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have a fascinating medical submission. It has to do with these bizarre images. But are they real or fake? We'll give you the answer in a moment, but first let's talk about necrotizing fasciitis. Necrotizing fasciitis is a serious bacterial skin infection that spreads quickly and kills the body's soft tissue. Unfortunately, necrotizing fasciitis can be deadly in a very short amount of time. Accurate diagnosis, prompt antibiotic treatment, and surgery are important to stopping this infection. Although the media commonly calls it a flesh-eating infection, more than one type of bacterium can cause this rare disease. Here are the main offenders. Public health experts consider Group A strep to be the most common cause. Infections from Group A strep bacteria are generally mild and are easily treated, but in cases of necrotizing fasciitis, bacteria spread quickly once they enter the body. They infect the fascia, connective tissue that surround the muscles, nerves, fat, and blood vessels. The infection also damages the tissues next to the fascia. Sometimes toxins made by the bacteria destroy the tissue they infect, causing it to die. When this happens, the infection is very serious, and those infected can lose limbs or die. Let's get back to the images in question. It turns out that they are real. The real deal. The doctor associated with the case states that he is a 51-year-old with shoulder pain. ER took an x-ray, which turned out normal. The patient was told to follow up with his primary care physician for an MRI of the shoulder if still painful after 48 hours. Then that same night, the patient developed severe pain and fever. He was found to have necrotizing fasciitis, and he was taken directly to the operating room for removal of the affected skin. This serves as a reminder how important it is to take care of your skin. In a moment, we'll tell you a little about our favorite pimple popper kit, which includes a free pair of gloves. But first, click that subscribe button for new medical videos every week. Our mission is to provide educational and informative medical cases like this. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone Extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. And to help keep things safe and sterile, as a bonus, we're throwing in a free 10-pack of nitrile gloves. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
I am here to tell you about Meta7. Meta7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta7 today.